fabulous experience you must have if you visit NYC, you'll want to go in and never leave. If you bring a good camera, it will be unforgettable. This lab is novel and creative, brimming with high-tech appeal. Kids especially adore it, losing track of time while having a blast inside. Really enjoyed our trip here, hard to describe but pretty amazing and so different to anything else we did in NY, and a nice change after the emotions of seeing others parts of the area, bit magical really. We were lucky enough to see not only some of the regular exhibition installations but also special event installations by Boss Bottled. A really cool museum. Highly recommended. Was a mesmerizing experience. Each exhibit was a different experience. Favorite piece was the music box. Simple, but memorable. Amazing experience. Would recommend if you are looking for something unique. Suitable for all ages. There are a few stairs, so would need to check re-accessibility. It was an awesome experience. I would definitely recommend going to the venue during a trip to New York City. It was so interesting, unique and fun. A magical, timeless, and relaxing world, a must-see, suitable for young and old, a parallel and enchanting realm. This was a really great time out from the chaos of the city. So many interactive and interesting exhibits. I had an awesome time at Mercer Labs. It is not your typical museum experience. There are a lot of visuals and places to sit and watch the exhibits. My favorite part was the coloring area. At the end you color the fish or dinosaurs and then they are scanned and animated. You can find discounts if you look. I got mine through Working Advantage. Even if you have to pay full price, I feel it is worth it if you are in visiting Lower Manhattan/Fidey area. An immersive experience lasting approximately 1 hour. Just steps from Wall Street and the World Trade Center. A stunning display of art and technology, of very high quality and impact. It engages all the senses. Highly recommended. I am so glad we saw the ad before going on the C train to go Midtown. What a stunning experience. We stayed for 3.5 hours and were absolutely immersed in the exhibits. The only place we have seen things like that before is Dubai. A true journey that covers all senses and gives you time to slowness and feeling in a world that is rushed, has a low attention span and tends to feel overloaded. It is STH for the whole family to connect, journey and experience together. An amazing experience. I brought a close friend for her birthday and she loved the immersive experience. Interesting and lots of fun for all ages. Great way to spend 90 minutes. Music, mirrors, art and innovations.